Wakefield, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Martin County in northeastern North Carolina, southern Bertie County in northeastern North Carolina, northwestern Washington County in northeastern North Carolina, until 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing softball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located 5 miles northeast of Williamston, or 3 miles north of Jamesville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This dangerous storm will be near St. Paul Baptist Church by 2:40 p.m., Westover and Albemarle Beach around 3 p.m. While not immediately likely, a tornado may develop. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Martin, Bertie, and Washington.
You are listening to station WNG 537, operating on a frequency of 162.525 MHz, from an antenna located in Windsor, North Carolina. The current time is 3:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
This hazardous weather outlook for the county served by the National Weather Service office in Windsor, North Carolina. The outlook through tonight. There's a potential for severe weather to occur across northeastern North Carolina, eastern North Carolina, and southeastern Virginia. The given time frame is between 7 a.m. and 10 p.m. All modes of severe weather is possible, including large destructive hail, damaging winds, and destructive tornadoes. And now the extended outlook from Wednesday to Monday. There is a potential for isolated severe thunderstorms Wednesday afternoon. Spotter information statements. Spotter activation will be needed this afternoon through tonight. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 394, effective until 12 a.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Washington County in northeastern North Carolina, northern Terrell County in northeastern North Carolina, until 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Creswell, or 10 miles east of Roper, moving east at 55 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Columbia around 3:35 p.m., Alligator around 3:45 p.m. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a worn bench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of a building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch, or any other low spot and cover your head with your hands. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Washington County in northeastern North Carolina, northern Terrell County in northeastern North Service in Newport has issued a tornado warning for western Tyrrell County in northeastern North Carolina, Dare County in northeastern North Carolina, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Alligator River Bridge, or 4 miles south of Fort Landing, moving east at 55 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. The tornado will be near East Lake now. Mans Harbor and Virginia Dare Memorial Bridge around 3:55 p.m., Mandeo, Roanoke Island Festival Park, and Janet's Pier by 4 o'clock p.m. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a worn bench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of a building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch, or any other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Tyrrell, and Dare.
I learned this one on television. Hey, Chauvel, little sound.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Dare County Emergency Management. Moderate to severe damage has been reported in the town of Mandeo as a result of a large tornado that impacted the area yesterday evening. There are reports of debris blocking most roadways, large trees down, and significant damage to well-constructed homes. Emergency shelters are being set up at the Mandeo High School for residents that were affected by the tornado. Continue to monitor local media outlets for further information.